Writing numbers. When you want to write numbers, there is a number to be written. Then I will teach you one learner's method in which you will use a template which will help you write the number. And then once you are comfortable with the learner's method, the expert method. First we will write the numbers in Indian system and then in international system. So here the number to be written is 9 crore 17 lakh 5050. Let's understand the template. There are two boxes, one for each digit, one each for a digit before C, which represents crores. Then two boxes before L for lakhs, two boxes before T for thousands, one box before H for 100, and two boxes for two digits after 100. After you write the first digit in the appropriate box, all boxes on the right must be filled. If there is no value, you should write 0. Don't leave any box blank. So let's write 9 crores. So this is crore. Before that we write 9 crores 17 lakhs. These two boxes are for two digits of lakhs. 17 lakhs. 5,000. Now we have to write these 5,000s in two digits. So we will write 05, because if we write 50, it will be 50, and we cannot leave any box blank. So this is 5,000 and then 50. So how many hundreds? There are no hundreds or 0 hundreds, and then we have 50. So this is how we write the number using the template. Now once we are comfortable with template method, then we will graduate to expert method and we will read the number and write it. So first 9 crore. So 9, and for crore we will put a comma. Then 17 lakhs. So we write 17, and again for lakhs we put a comma. Then 5,000. Now 5,000 is 0, 5. Okay, and a comma, and 50. So 0, 5, 0. 0 hundreds and 50. So this is how we write the number. Let's write one more number. The number is 5 crore. So this is C for crore. Before that we will write 5 crore and then 500. So how many lakhs? 0 lakhs. That means 0, 0. Then how many thousands? 0 thousands. So 0, 0. 500. So 500. And if you see the last three digits, that is 500. Writing it the expert way, we start 5 crores, 5, followed by a comma. Then there are no lakhs, so 2 zeros for lakhs and comma represents the lakhs. Then 2 zeros followed by comma is 0,000. And then we have 500. That we write 500. So remember, keep the template in your mind. You don't have to make it on paper, but you must keep the template in your mind and make sure that every box is filled up. Now here are the questions to test your knowledge. Pause the video, write down these numbers on paper, and then start the video and check your answers. If you have made any mistakes, try writing the number again and rectify your mistake. Now we will go to the international system. In international system, the units are thousand, million, billion, and so on. And there are 3 boxes before every unit. So these 3 digits are for thousands, these 3 digits are for millions, these 3 digits are for billions. So let us write the number 17 million. This is million, so before that we will write 17. 17 million. 720. So how many thousands? There are no thousands. So we will put 3 zeros for thousands. And then 720. That is here 720. Writing the expert way, again we first write 17 and a comma for million. Then since there are no thousands, 3 zeros followed by comma is 0,000, and then we have 720. We move on to the next sum. $5 million. So first we write 5 million. Here is million. 5 million. 7,000. Now how do we write 7,000? These 3 digits are thousands. So we will write 007. That is 7 followed by T is 1000. 120. That comes here. 120. Same way in expert method also. First we write 5 million. 5 followed by a comma which represents millions. Then 7,000 to be written in 3 digits, 0, 0, 7. And this comma represents thousands. Then 120. So that's how we write the numbers in international system. These are the questions to test your knowledge of writing numbers in international system. Pause the video and write these numbers in international system. Then start the video and check the answers.